Hi, Adrian from Blue Dog Designs, just running you through how to fit your BIGPAW foot plate onto your existing chair using the double-sided tape. With your BIGPAW, what you'll get is you'll also get a number of alcohol wipes, which is used for the prep surface, and also a roll of double-sided tape. This is an industrial tape, which is very strong, but it will usually takes about 3 days to get full cure. So once you put it on, it'll have its strength, but in 3 days then it'll double in its bonding strength. What you'll need to put it on is some sort of pair of scissors for cutting the tape, and pretty much that's about it. So with this plate on this tie, it's actually an aluminium one. Usually they're a plastic. So with your plate, it'll have dirt and grime all over it. Best thing is to do is get some warm water or something, scrubbing brush, scrub it off and make it as clean as you can. From there, then take one of your alcohol wipes, open them up, only small. So what you want to do is actually prep the surface of any grease and grime. So what we're going to do is we go around the outside of the plate, because that's where we're going to apply the adhesive. So a couple of times around and it'll dry. You can see the aluminium oxide coming off of there. So what you want to do is you want to clean both surfaces as well. So you want to clean the plate as well as the underside of the BIGPAW. So take that, and from there just wipe around the edges where the tape's going to go. Get it nice and clean, like so. Don't just worry about the middle, just around the edges. Okay, and leave that to dry. It'll dry pretty quick and evaporate away. If you like, there'll be a few in there. So once that one's dried, the bottom plate will probably be the dirtiest, so perhaps just give it another one just to be sure. Okay, once that's done, okay, make sure it's dry before you try and stick the tape on, otherwise it won't adhere to it very well at all. Well, from there what we want to do is we want to place the tape to the outer extremes of the plate to give it maximum purchase. So what we do is we've got the rivets in here. The tape itself is actually 2mm thick, so what that will do is we'll raise the tape above the rivets, so the rivets won't actually touch the plate. So what we'll do is we'll go across the front and then across the back, and then what we have is down the sides. Now with the plate dry, take your double-sided tape, open it up. What you want to do is start where one rivet is, like so. Take it to the edge, run it along, and then take your scissors and just cut it to length. From there, push it down so it bonds onto the aluminium. From there, same deal, now just across the back. Like so, trim, give it a push down. Now just got to get the actual backing off. I'm just using a sharp blade here, just to prise it off. Like so. There you have it. Okay, now take your BIGPAW. What you want to do is you want to line it up and then drop it on. Because once it comes into contact, it's going to stay there. So you want to be pretty sure on where it is. So come through, line the front up. And you can see there, it's pretty much in the middle. It's aligned with the front, like so. Just check it. That looks pretty good. And then just drop it on. From there, push it down, like that. Go all the way around. And that is pretty secure. It's not touching the rivets, anything underneath. And like I said before, in about 3 days, that will reach its maximum bonding strength. And as you know, your feet on there aren't providing a lot of purchase onto that plate. So all the weight is down. Okay, slight resistance to the back, but for general purposes, that is the easiest and quite strong way of doing it. No tools required, just put it straight on.